Good morning, dear friends. Welcome to our Infinity classes. Simplify your problems. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಬಯಸುತ್ತಾ ಇಂದಿನ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ 5 ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಟಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ 5.3 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಇದು ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಅಥವಾ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. 2 ಸರ್ತಿ 3-4 ಸರ್ತಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಈ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮಿಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ एग्जाम ನಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. एनुअल एग्जाम एज वेल एज मिड टर्म एग्जाम ನಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. एनुअल एग्जाम में भी पूछा गया है डेरिवेटिव्स ऑफ इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन का प्रॉब्लम और मिड टर्म एग्जाम में भी पूछा गया है ऑलरेडी. तो लेट अस सी डेरिवेटिव्स ऑफ इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन. सो 2 मार्क्स और 3 मार्क्स 2 मार्क्स ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ 2 मार्क्स problems or 3 marks problems. 3 marks problems from this exercise 5.3. half of the exercise is what implicit function that we already learned in the previous video. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಭಾಗಗಳು ಬರ್ತವೆ 5.3 ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಒಂದು ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಹಿಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪೂರಾ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ನಾವು ಮುಗಿಸಿದೀವಿ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಲಿಯೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನು ಯಾರು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಆದಷ್ಟು ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸಿಗೆ ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಿ. ನೀವು ಆದಷ್ಟು ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಸ್, derivatives of inverse trigonometric function. ಈಗ derivatives of inverse trigonometric function ಅಂದ್ರೆ first of all we know that the derivatives of standard inverse trigonometric functions formulas. So what are those? Let us see here. We have to remember these formulas. That is derivative of sine inverse x. Derivative of sine inverse x with respect to x is what? 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So derivative of sine inverse x, that is the first formula. And second one is derivative of cos inverse x with respect to x minus 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square. And derivative of tan inverse x, that is third one. Derivative of tan inverse x with respect to x is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x square. So derivative of sine inverse x is what? 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Derivative of cos inverse x minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Derivative of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 3, that is derivative of cot inverse x. Derivative of cot inverse x with respect to x is what? Minus 1 divided by 1 plus x square. So derivative of cot inverse x with respect to x is what? Minus 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Now derivative of sec inverse x. Derivative of sec inverse x with respect to x. The derivative of differentiation of sec inverse x is what? 1 by x into root of x square minus 1. And last one is derivative of cosec inverse x with respect to x minus 1 divided by x into root of x square minus. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬಹುದು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ 1 by root of 1 minus x square. And for cos inverse x, same thing, only we have to write the minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Sin inverse cos inverse, same, only thing is that minus we have to write here. Then derivative of tan inverse x is what? 1 by 1 plus x square. And the same thing for what? Derivative of cot inverse x, that is minus 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Then derivative of sec inverse x is what? 1 by x into root of x square minus 1. That is the same thing for this one is what? Derivative of cosec inverse x, only just we have to write the what? Minus 1 divided by x into root of x square minus 1. These are the what? 6 formulas of derivatives of inverse trigonometric function. Pause the video and note it down these things first. And the second, we are very most concept discussing first before solving the problem. ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಏನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ ಆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಗುರುತಿಸಿ ನಾವೇನ ಸೂಕ್ತವಾದಂತಹ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ದೆನ್ which formula is to be applied, that we are going to discuss in the next slide. So let us see here. That is first one, structure in the problem. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. ಈಗ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square ಅಂತ ತಿಳಿರಿ. ಏನ್ ಬಂತಿತ್ತು 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. ಈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ x ದ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ x is equal to tan theta. x is equal to tan theta ತಗೋತೀವಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಪುಟ್ x is equal to tan theta ತಗೋತೀವಿ. theta is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ tan inverse of x. So it will become formula cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. You can see here 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square ಬರ್ತದೆ. ನಾವು x substitution in ತಗೋತೀವಿ. x is equal to tan theta. Theta is equal to what? Tan inverse x. That is it. The formula will become what here? Cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Now second one, 2x square minus 1 ಬಂತು. 2x square minus 1. If the structure in the problem ನಲ್ಲಿ 2x square minus 1 ಬಂತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ತಗೋತೀವಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ x is equal to cos theta ತಗೋತೀವಿ. theta is equal to what? Cos inverse of x. theta is equal to what? Cos inverse of x. Then the formula will become what? Cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2x square minus 1, x is equal to cos theta. Theta is equal to what? Cos inverse x. Then the formula will become what? Cos 2 theta is equal to what? 2 cos square theta minus 1. Then third one, 1 minus 2x square. 1 minus 2x square ಬಂತು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಅವಾಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ x is equal to sin theta ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಏನ್ ತಗೋತೀವಿ? Substitution is what? x is equal to sin theta. Then theta is equal to what? Sin inverse of x. Theta is equal to what? Sin inverse of x. That is formula will become what? Again cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 1 minus 2 sin square theta. For this structure 1 minus 2x square we have to take x is equal to sin theta. Theta is equal to what? Sin inverse x. Then cos 2 theta is equal to what? 1 minus 2 sin square theta. And next structure 4, that is 2x divided by 2x divided by 1 plus x square ಬಂತು. ಏನು ಬಂತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2x divided by 1 plus x square. That is 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Put x is equal to tan theta ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಏನು ತಗೋತೀವಿ? Put x is equal to tan theta. 2x divided by 1 plus x square ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ x is equal to ಏನು ತಗೋತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ tan theta. Then theta is equal to what? Tan inverse of x. Tan inverse of x. Then sin 2 theta is equal to, it will convert on the what? Sin 2 theta is equal to what? 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. 2x divided by 1 plus x square structure ಬರ್ತಂದ್ರೆ x is equal to tan theta ತಗೋತೀವಿ. theta is equal to what? Tan inverse x. And formula is what? Sin 2 theta is equal to what? 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Pause the video and note it down this one. So next we are going to discuss the remaining structures. That is a fifth one. That is the fifth structure. 2x divided by 1 minus x square. If the structure is given in the problem 2x divided by 1 minus x square, again we have to put x is equal to what? Tan theta. Then theta is equal to what? Tan inverse of x. Theta is equal to what? Tan inverse of x. So this formula will become what? Tan of 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. The next structure is, that is the sixth one, 3x minus 4x cube. And the seventh one is 4x cube minus 3x. Observe here 3x minus, for 3x minus 4x cube, 3x minus 4x cube, put x is equal to sin theta. Now we'll put x is equal to sin theta here. Theta is equal to what? Sin inverse x. Now formula will become what? For the structure 3x minus 4x cube, we have to take x is equal to sin theta. So we will now theta is equal to what? Sin inverse x. Then sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. 4 sin cube theta. Sin of 3 theta is equal to what? 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta agutte. Now the structure 4x cube minus 3x, put x is equal to what? Cos theta. X is equal to into cos theta. Theta is equal to what? Cos inverse x. Theta is equal to what? Cos inverse x. Now cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. It will become what? 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is the formula. And the eighth structure is what? And the eighth one is that is structure 3x minus x cube divided by 1 minus 3x square. 3x minus x cube, 3x minus x cube divided by 1 minus 3x square. For this structure, we have to take x is equal to what? Tan theta. X is equal to tan theta. And theta is equal to what? Tan inverse of x. For this structure, then the formula is what? Tan of 3 theta is equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So these are the what? Triple angle, that is 3 theta. 2 theta means what? Double angle, and 3 theta means what? Triple angle, right? Pause the video and note it down these all things. And the next one is root of x square minus 1. That is 1 by root of x square minus 1 bantu. 1 by root of x square minus 1. Depending on the function, we have to take the substitution here. X is equal to n to sec theta to will now. Theta is equal to what? Sec inverse of x. Sorry. Only root of x square minus 1. Root of x square minus 1 bandre. Yes. So the formula will become what here? Tan of theta is equal to root of sec square theta minus 1. Sec square theta minus 1. It will become tan of theta is equal to what? Root of sec square theta minus 1. Next, after that, then we are writing the next one, 1 minus, and remember these formulas. 1 minus cos x means 1 minus cos x is what? 2 sin square x by 2. Remember, so these are the extra formulas, that is, and 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2, and 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x, and 1 minus cos 2x is what? 2 sin square x. Remember these formulas. And one more thing we have to remember here, sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta is what? Cos theta. And cos 90 minus theta. Remember these extra formulas are cos 90 minus theta is what? Sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta is what? Cot theta. And cot 90 minus theta is what? Tan of theta. Remember these formulas. So these are the what? Extra formulas that we have to remember. These formulas are extra formulas. In this also we have to remember, because we are using if it will appear in the problem at the time of solving the problem. At that time we have to use these formulas. Pause the video and note it down. So the next we are going to the what? Question number 9 on the next slide. On the next slide that you have to see here, find dy by dx if y is equal to sin inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. This is the question number 9 from the exercise 5.3. So write the first the given problem, that is y is equal to as it is. Now take y is equal to sin inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Now put substitution we have to take here. Put x is equal to tan theta. Put x is equal to tan theta. Then theta is equal to what? Tan inverse x. See dear friends, here as I told you, the structure is given what here? 2x divided by 1 plus x square. This structure is 2x divided by 1 plus x square is. So 2x by 1 plus x square x is equal to tan theta togotivi. If after taking the substitution, now use this substitution in the structure here, that is y is equal to, now y is equal to sine inverse of 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Then y is equal to sine inverse of 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Formula is what? Sine 2 theta. Either formula ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ sine 2 theta. Then sine inverse of sine theta. So applying this property, sine inverse of sine theta is what? Theta. Here instead of theta, what is here? 2 theta is there. You have to apply this one here. Then y is equal to what? 2 theta. Then y is equal to, what is the value of theta? Theta is what here? Tan inverse x. So what is the value of theta? Tan inverse x. After writing this one, differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y, dy by dx. I am writing here the remaining steps. I am writing here derivative of y with respect to x, dy by dx. Then 2 as it is. Derivative of tan inverse x, that is 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x square. Then 2 ones are 2. Now dy by dx is equal to 2 divided by 1 plus x square is the what? Final answer for this question. So this is the method. Depending on the structure, we have to take the substitution, then it will convert in the formula, then applying the properties of inverse trigonometric function, then put the value of theta, then differentiate with respect to x, you will get the what? Derivative of the function. So pause the video and note it down. So moving to the what? Next problem. This question number 10. So you need not bother about this one. This is the domain is given. Domain of the function is given. That is tan inverse of 3x minus x cube. This function domain is what here? Minus 1 by root 3 is less than x. X is less than 1 by root 3. This is the question number 10. Question number 10 from the exercise what? 5.3. So look at here. Same type of the problem. First we have to identify the structure. So write the first step solution as it is. Y is equal to wait a minute. Y is equal to tan inverse of 3x minus x cube divided by 1 minus 3x square divided by 1 minus. See the structure here. So depending on the structure, we have to take the substitution. Put x is equal to tan theta. Theta is equal to what? Tan inverse of x. Theta is equal to what? Tan inverse of x. Now we are writing here y is equal to tan inverse of 3 tan theta in the place of x. So structure is what? 3x minus x cube divided by 1 minus 3x here. Then put x is equal to tan theta. Theta is equal to what? Tan inverse x. So we are writing this substitution in the place of x. Wherever x is there, we are writing tan theta. That is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So in the next step, this will be structure. Now substitution tone ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ this will be convert in the formula, that is tan of 3 theta. ಇದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? tan of 3 theta. ಆಗಾಳೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ tan of 3 theta. Then y is equal to tan inverse of tan theta, means instead of theta what is here? We are applying this one because tan inverse of tan theta, properties of ITF, that is what? Theta. We are applying this one. So instead of theta what is here? 3 theta is there, and y is equal to tan of, that is 3 theta. Then y is equal to 3 theta means what? Tan inverse of x. Now differentiate with respect to x. So I am writing the next further step here, that is dy by dx is equal to 3 as it is, a derivative of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square. And dy by dx is equal to 3 ones are 3. 3 by 1 plus x square is the answer. So this is the final answer for this question. So pause the video and note it down. So the next problem, so we are going to solve next problem, question number 11, that has been already asked the 2 times in the annual examination, that is July 16 and March 2022. So look at here, y is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square divided by, structure is what, 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. So write the solution first step. Y is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. Yes. Now we are taking the substitution is what here, x is equal to, put x is equal to tan theta, theta is equal to what, tan inverse of x. So here y is equal to cos inverse of tan theta 1 minus tan square theta. In the place of x, where at x square will become what, tan square theta, and 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta. Then y is equal to cos inverse of, this will be what, convert in the formula, that is cos 2 theta. 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is what, cos 2 theta. Then y is equal to 2 theta. Then y is equal to 2. What is the value of theta? That is tan inverse x. Now differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y, derivative I am writing here, derivative of y is what, dy by dx. This 2 as it is, a derivative of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square. Then dy by dx is equal to 2 ones are 2. 2 divided by 1 plus x square. So this is the final answer for this question. Pause the video and note it down. So next we will solve the question number 12. Find dy by dx. Same structure is there, only function instead of cos inverse here, sin inverse will be there. So write first y is equal to solution, first step as it is. Y is equal to sin inverse of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. Write the substitution for this one, put x is equal to tan theta. Put x is equal to tan theta. Theta is equal to what? Tan inverse of x. So this is the substitution we are using for this one. See here, y is equal to sin inverse of, so 1 minus x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿಪ್ಪ tan theta, x square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Then y is equal to sin inverse of cos 2 theta. Here it is not possible to apply the properties of ITF, sin inverse of sin theta is theta. Here outside the bracket sin inverse will be there, inside the bracket cos will, we have to convert this cos in terms of sin by using complementary angles of trigonometric function. Cos 2 theta can be written sin 90 minus 2 theta. Sin 90 minus 2 theta is what? Sin 90 minus 2 theta is what? Cos theta. Cos 2 theta can be written sin 90 minus 2 theta. Sin 90 minus 2 theta is what? Cos 2 theta. So we can apply sin inverse of sin. For this step, sin inverse of sin theta is what? Theta. Instead of theta, theta andre ಏನಿದೆ 5 by 2 minus theta ಇದೆ. We have to apply this one here. Apply this property here. So it will become what? Y is equal to 90 minus 2 theta. Sin inverse of sin theta is what? Instead of theta, what is here? This entire is what? Theta. That is 90 minus 2 theta. We have to write 90 minus 2 theta. Then y is equal to 90 minus 2. What is the value of theta? Theta means what? Tan inverse x. Theta is what here? Tan inverse of x. Now differentiate with respect to x. On differentiating, we get derivative of y is what? Dy by dx. Derivative of 90 is what? 0 minus 2 as it is. Derivative of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square. 2 ones are 2. That is dy by dx is equal to minus 2 by 1 plus x square. Minus 2 by 1 plus x square. Pause the video and note it down. So the next one problem, if y is equal to cos inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square, y is equal to cos inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square, find dy by dx. See here, write the first given function y is equal to cos inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Now put x is equal to, see the structure, 2x divided by 1 plus x square means we have to take the substitution x is equal to what? Tan theta ತಗೋಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. Put x is equal to tan theta. Theta is equal to what? Tan inverse of x. Now use the substitution here. Y is equal to cos inverse of 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Now y is equal to cos inverse of cos 2 theta. Sorry, sin 2 theta. So what is it? Will become what? Sin 2 theta. Then y is equal to cos inverse of sin 2 theta can be written cos 90 minus 2 theta. Cos 90 minus 2 theta. Then y is equal to 90 minus 2 theta. Cos inverse of cos theta. Instead of theta, what is here? 90 minus 2 theta. So 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but sin 2 theta. Sin theta can be written cos 90 minus 2 theta. Then cos inverse of cos theta. Instead of theta, what is here? 90 minus 2 theta is there. Then next step, that is y is equal to 90 minus 2. What is the value of theta? Tan inverse x. Tan inverse x. Now differentiating with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y is what? Dy by dx. Derivative of 90 is what? 0 minus 2 as it is. Derivative of 90 is 0 minus 2 as it is. Derivative of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square. Then dy by dx is equal to minus 2 divided by 1 plus x square. So this is the final answer for this question. Pause the video and note it down. So now moving to the next problem, that is question number 14 from the exercise 5.3. Find dy by dx if y is equal to sin inverse of 2x root of 1 minus x square is there here. So write the first function as it is, that is solution. Y is equal to sin inverse of 2x root of 1 minus x square. Now see the structure here, root of 1 minus x square is there and here 2x is there. Root of 1 minus x square means we have to take x is equal to sin theta. Put x is equal to sin theta. Theta is equal to what? Sin inverse of x. Now right here y is equal to sin inverse of 2 sin theta root of 1 minus sin square theta. Then y is equal to sin inverse of 2 sin theta square root of 1 minus sin square theta is what? Cos theta. Then y is equal to sin inverse of 2 sin theta cos theta is nothing but sin 2 theta. Double angle. 2 sin theta cos, here x is equal to sin theta root of 1 minus x square 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta is what? Cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta is what? Sin 2 theta. By the ITF, properties of ITF, sin inverse of sin theta is what? Theta. Instead of theta, what is here? 2 theta is there. Then y is equal to 2. What is the value of theta? Sin inverse x. Now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x, it will become what? Derivative of y dy by dx. This 2 as it is a derivative of sine inverse x 1 by 2 as it is a derivative of sine inverse x 1 by root of 1 minus x square. 2 ones are 2. 2 divided by root of 1 minus x square. Dy by dx is equal to 2 divided by root of 1 minus x square. So this is the final answer for this question. Pause the video and note it down. So the next problem, question number 15. So that has been already asked 2 times or 3 times it has been asked. That is June 15 and July 18, and one more time it is there, March on, I think. So see here, if y is equal to sec inverse of 1 by 2x square minus 1. Yes, 1 by 2x square minus 1, then y, write here first solution as it is y is equal to sec inverse of 1 divided by 2x square minus 1. Yes, put x is equal to what here? 2x square minus 1 means what? We have to take cos theta. Put x is equal to cos theta. Theta is equal to what? Cos inverse of x. So y is equal to sec inverse of 1 divided by 2 cos square theta minus 1. So see here, depending on the section 2x square minus 1, we have to take x is equal to cos theta. Theta is equal to what? Cos inverse x. Then y is equal to sec inverse of 1 by 2 cos square theta minus 1. So y is equal to sec inverse of, as I told you in the beginning, 2 cos square theta minus 1 is what? Cos 2 theta. So 2 cos square theta minus 1 is what? Cos 2 theta. 1 by cos, the reciprocal of cos is what? Sec. That is 1 by cos theta is nothing but sec theta. Here it will become what? Sec 2 theta. Now sec cancel agutte. Sec inverse of sec 2 theta is what? 2 theta. Sec inverse of sec theta is what? Theta. That is, instead of theta, what is here? 2 theta is there, right? 2 theta. Y is equal to 2 theta. Then y is equal to, what is the value of 2 as it is? Theta means cos inverse x. Theta means what? Cos inverse x. So write cos inverse x in the place of theta and differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y. Derivative of y is what? Dy by dx. This 2 as it is derivative of cos inverse x minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Then 2 ones are 2, that is minus 2. Dy by dx is equal to minus 2 divided by root of 1 minus x square. So pause the video and note it down. So this is the what? Your required answer, question number 15, that has been asked the 2 times in the examination. Now question number 16, that is example 40 questions. All the questions are over. All the questions from the exercise 5.3. First, in the first part, implicit is covered. That is, first part of the 5.3 is what? Implicit function, and the second part is what? Derivatives of inverse trigonometric function will be there. So now we will solve the remaining, that is example problems that has been asked in the miscellaneous examples, I think. So y is equal to sine inverse of cos x. Then y is equal to sine inverse of sine 90 minus x. This cos x can be written sine 90 minus x. Now sine inverse of sine theta is what? Theta. Instead of theta, what is there? 5 by 2 minus theta is there. X is there. 5 by 2 minus x. Now differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y is what? Dy by dx. Derivative of 90 is what? 0. Minus derivative of x with respect to x is what? 1. So last dy by dx is equal to what? Minus 1. Dy by dx is what? Minus 1. So write the next one. Differentiate sin x divided by 1 plus cos x with respect to x. Tan inverse of. Tan inverse of. So write here solution. Tan inverse of sin x divided by 1 plus cos x. Sin x divided by 1 plus cos x, then tan inverse of sin x means 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. 2 cos. So see, wait a minute. We will first see this one. Sin x divided by 1 plus cos x. Sin x divided by 1 plus cos x. We have to solve this one. Sin x means we have to use the formula 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. Yes. So we have to use the what here? Formula of what? Sin x. 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 divided by 2 cos square x by 2. This 2 cancel and 1 cos cancel. Then tan inverse of sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2. Here we are using the formula sin x is what written 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. 1 plus cos x means 2 cos square x by 2. 1 cos cancel, 2 cancel. Sin by cos is what? Tan x by 2. That is tan inverse of tan x by 2. Applying the properties of ITF, tan inverse of tan theta is what? Theta. Instead of theta, what is here? That is x by 2 is there. Take the given function y is equal to first. Now y is equal to, then y is equal to. Then y is equal to what here? X by 2. Y is equal to what here? X by 2. Y is equal to x by 2. Now differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to derivative of x is what? 1. 1 by 2 is the answer. So pause the video and note it down. So what we did here, sin x is what? 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. 1 plus cos x means 2 cos square x by 2. 2 cancel. Denominator 1 cos cancel. Numerator cos x cancel. Sin by x by 2 cos x by 2 is what? Tan x by 2. Then y is equal to what? Tan inverse of tan x by 2 is nothing but x by 2. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y dy by dx, and x derivative is what? 1. Then 2 is the constant as it is. That is dy by dx is equal to what? 1 by 2. So next one, differentiate sin inverse of 2 raised to x plus 1 divided by 1 plus 4x, 4 raised to x. So here we have to write the first, that is y is equal to, take y is equal to sin inverse of 2 raised to x plus 1 divided by 1 plus 4 raised to x. With respect, see here I am going to write this one, y is equal to sin inverse of 2 raised to x into 2 base is same, adding the power. I am splitting this one, 2 raised to x plus 1. I am writing 2 raised to x into 2 divided by 1 plus 2 raised to x bracket square. So that it will become what? Firstly we have to write this one, that is 2 square raised to x. Then this one again I am writing in terms of this, y is equal to sin inverse of 2 raised to x. So I am writing this one in this manner. First I am writing 2 into 2 raised to x divided by 1 plus. So this 2 I am writing here and x I am writing here. That is 2 raised to x to the power 2. Now take the substitution. Put 2 raised to x is equal to what? Tan theta. Now take the substitution. Put, I am writing here, put 2 raised to x is equal to what? Tan theta. Then theta is equal to what? Tan inverse of 2 raised to x. Theta is equal to what? Tan inverse of 2 raised to x. So next I am writing here, that is y is equal to sin inverse of this 2 as it is. In the place of 2 raised to x I am writing what? Tan theta. In the place of 2 raised to x I am writing tan theta divided by 1 plus 2 raised to x means what? Tan theta. That is what? Tan square theta. It will become what? Tan square theta. So here in the place of 2 raised to x I am writing tan theta, that is, and the square will become what? Tan square theta. Then y is equal to sin inverse of 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but sin of 2 theta. Now applying the properties of ITF, sin inverse of sin theta is what? Theta. So here instead of theta what is there? 2 theta is there. Then y is equal to 2. What is the value of theta? Theta means what? Tan inverse of 2 raised to x. Now differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx. This 2 as it is a derivative of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x square. Instead of x, what is here? 2 raised to x. 2 raised to x whole square. And 2 raised to x, derivative of 2 raised to x. 2 raised to x into log 2. 2 raised to x into what? Log 2. And the final answer is, that is dy by dx is equal to 2 ones are 2. 2 divided by 1 plus 1 plus, that is 2 square, 4 raised to x, then 2 raised to x log 2. 2 raised to x log 2. This is the final answer for this question. Pause the video and note it. It is also very important problem. So that will be asked for 3 marks in the exam also. It is very important problem. Example 30. So next problem, right? If y is equal to sine inverse of, if y is equal to question, extra problems. These are what? Extra problems. Extra problems we are doing now here. If y is equal to sine inverse of 3x minus 4x cube, find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. Now write this one as it is. First, here y is equal to solution. We need to find the derivative of this function. So what is the structure here? Y is equal to 3x minus 4x cube. Now take the substitution, put x is equal to sine theta. Theta is equal to what? Sine inverse of x. Then y is equal to sine inverse of 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Then y is equal to sine inverse of sine of 3 theta. So it is exactly equal to what? Sine 3 theta. 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta is nothing but sine 3 theta. Now properties of ITF, sine inverse of sine theta. What is theta here? 3 theta. Then y is equal to 3. Theta means what? Sine inverse x. Now differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y is what? Dy by dx. Derivative of y is what? Dy by dx. Then 3 as it is a derivative of sine inverse x, 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So that the final answer is what? Dy by dx is equal to 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 by root of 1 minus x square. 3 by root of 1 minus x square. So this is the extra problems. This one is what? Extra problem. Yes. So next problem, y is equal to cos inverse of, y is equal to cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. Find dy by dx. So take x is equal to what? Cos theta. Put x is equal to cos theta. Theta is equal to what? Cos inverse of x. So come to the here in the structure. We have to write in the place of x cos. Y is equal to cos inverse of 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Then y is equal to cos inverse of, that is cos 3 theta. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is what? Cos 3 theta. Then y is equal to cos inverse of cos 3 theta is what? 3 theta. Then y is equal to 3. What is the value of theta? Cos inverse of x. Now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y, dy by dx. This 3 as it is a derivative of cos inverse x minus 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square. Then dy by dx is equal to minus 3 divided by root of 1 minus x square. So this is the final answer for this question. Pause the video and note it down. Now next one. So these are the what 2 extra problems. So keep on watching my channel. ಇನ್ನೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಯಾರು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ತಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ವ್ಯೂವರ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಯಾರು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಕೀಪ್ ಆನ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಚಾನಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ಲಿ till up to your examination, so that I will upload all the important problems for 2 marks, 3 marks, 5 marks, and MCQs also I am going to solve next in the lastly. So first of all, I will cover part D, part C, and these all the things. How is it possible I am doing that in like that manner? So keep on watching my channel. So please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching my channel.